Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to continue working with a Photoshop file that I started some days ago. We have some revisions to make and some changes have to be done. I'm going to change some text and then some padding, some distances. I think that with the images we are okay, but we are going to work with the text and adding some colors. The color probably is going to change in a later revision, but for now we are going to work with this orange. I picked an orange color because also in the images I have the orange, and the logo of our university has the color of orange, so I thought that this will be a good add. Now the problem here is that most of the images that I'm using aren't transparent. So I have to have the image above the layer with the color, and sometimes this can be tricky because the image is quite big or the text is too big, so I have to find a way to have them all together. Right now I have only done this for the top part, and in the images I'm going to have some rectangular, but I'm only going to have a stroke and I'm not going to have a fill. I think that I'm going to do the same with some other images, and here I think it's also okay. I have to adjust everything because the distances aren't always the same. So I'm going to continue working, and I'm going to fill you in a bit of what I'm doing. Now we are in the fourth revision, which means that in the last clip I have ended with the project. I sent it to my colleague. We made some changes. We thought that if we could change the colors and stuff like this, the poster would look better. So here in the fourth revision I'm going to change the color again. I'm going to change some paddings. And now we are actually in the 5th revision, which means that again I sent the PSD file to my colleague, and we wanted to make a few more changes, like adding some more color, and I changed also the shape of the color. Now it's more like a bright orange, and I think that I'm going to change a few more things, not so much about the color, but again with the distances and maybe the text. And I think that I'm going to leave you somewhere here as this project comes to an end. I have to send it back to my colleague, and if it's okay, then we are going to send it to our professor to make some changes also. Thank you very much for watching and have a lovely day ahead.